Hey home sellers, are you ready to play DIY? Or should you not? Are you going to paint your interior walls? Absolutely. DIY. This is a great transformation to help get your home sold. Updating kitchen hardware, changing those knobs. That's also a simple DIY thing you can do to give a refresh to your kitchen. What about installing smart home features? You could certainly have them installed, but typically you need a pro to help you with integration. This is probably not something I would choose to do DIY. Landscaping can be a great DIY project, but also using a pro to help guide you, maybe a combination of some things that you can do to contribute and then some suggestions and design ideas from a pro can be really helpful to give your property great curb appeal. Those 4 options can give you just more bang for your buck when you're choosing to do partial DIY and maybe a little bit of pro help, and can help transform your property to make it more appealing when people are coming to see it. What are your favorite home improvement projects that you have done before?